Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour with Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, this dragon glaze in red, violet, blue shift, and plebeo iridescent blue green, and 3-chamber split cup from Paint Pour Store. And I was just thinking, sometimes when I do some ornaments or something, I really like what it's left on the canvas, so I just grabbed this 1-ounce plastic cup, and I will pour just on top of it to add maybe a little different effects. I don't know. So I will pour my paints into the split cup, this permanent blue violet and dragon glaze for some color shift effects, and permanent blue violet, permanent blue green. Okay, and I will pour just probably a straight pour on top of that. So let's see, maybe I will do a ring. So let's rag this middle just a little bit, because it's weird. Trying to, I don't know. Incorporate this into my pour. This reminds me of a feather, that's why I want to do that. Okay, let's torch this and then I will spin it. Let's do that. That I will say this done. Kind of like it because it looks like a feather. Maybe just one more spin. I will leave it now because I like it like it is now. Here is a close-up. I like this feather here. I know that you don't see a lot right now, but I know that it will be beautiful with this dragon glaze and iridescent blue-green. This violet will dry dark. See these lines, this will be color shifty. So I like this feather, I really do. It was different than that I thought that it will react, but with this cup, but still I like it. So this was it for today. Tell me in the comments what you think about it and see you on the next one. Bye.